Welcome back to the channel. If you're here because the algorithm sent you, well, you're probably in the wrong place. You were probably looking for a wholesome sourdough journey, soothing bookshelf organization video, or a marathon birdhouse building stream. But if you're a mountain biker and you somehow slipped through the cracks, you've done the impossible. You've bypassed the algorithm's nonsense. You're officially one of us. And if you're not a mountain biker, well, buckle up. You're about to watch a grown man willingly ride down chaos and make sure gravity is still working. For today's adventure, we're hitting the Slate Trail located in Cave Creek, Arizona, one of the rocky little nightmares tucked inside the Go John Trail system. And if you've never pointed a bike down Slate before, let me sum it up real quick. It looks like Slate got fed up with hikers, bikers, and horses. This trail isn't satisfied with just injuring you. It wants to ruin your confidence, your relationships, and your credit score. Let's get into it. Slate is exactly what it sounds like. Giant, jagged slabs of rock sticking out of the ground like the earth's trying to stab you for fun. You're pedaling along thinking, wow, what a beautiful view. And then a piece of slate pops up like your ex-wife trying to stab you with a switchblade. One crash on this trail, and your kneecap gets tossed into Slate's geological blender. The only thing you see are your hopes, dreams, and dignity packing their bags and leaving your body. And before anyone asks, no, you will not find a single roadie out here. If a roadie ever dreamed of riding Slate, gravity would file a W-2 because it's about to put in overtime. The moment they hit the first rocky section, their bike would fold like a lawn chair. Their heart rate monitor would flatline out of pure embarrassment. If a roadie attempted Slate, Netflix would make a documentary about it. Let's move on from this roadie bullshit and talk about some real mountain bike stuff. The Slate descent isn't just chaos. It's fast, rocky, loose, and you're dodging slate slabs like you're in a desert version of Mario Kart. Keep in mind, instead of banana peels, it's razor-sharp geological shrapnel that wants to autograph your shins. The moment you drop in, Slate hits you with that hold my beer energy. Your tires are skittering across loose rock like a lizard on hot pavement. It's pure, unfiltered, desert-born joy. The kind of ride that makes you say, yeah, I'll definitely do that again, even though your bike is filing for emotional damages. And honestly, it's perfect. And while I'm out here risking my limbs on a trail made of weaponized geology, the YouTube algorithm is having a complete identity crisis. It's like, oh, you ride mountain bikes. Let's recommend this to Ethel in Wisconsin. She's 74, she crochets potholders, and she has never seen a bicycle in person. She'll love it. Thank you, YouTube. You really nailed my target audience. So if you're thinking about riding Slate, do it. Seriously, don't overthink it or Google it. And definitely don't ask a roadie for advice. Just show up with water, courage, and maybe a spare kneecap you found on eBay. This trail is brutal, beautiful, and absolutely worth every sketchy moment. Slate gives you that rare mix of fear, adrenaline rush, beautiful scenery, and I can't believe I survived euphoria that only true mountain bikers understand. If you enjoyed the ride, hit that like button, subscribe for more Desert MTB adventures, and drop a comment if you've ridden this trail, or if you're brave enough to try it. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay away from roadies, and keep shredding. See you on the next ride.